Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Run the game as administrator and ensure the executable isn't blocked by Windows. Install or repair DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, because missing DLLs often cause immediate crashes. Once done, install or repair games for Windows Live components used by Fallout 3, and disable overlays from Steam, Discord, and GPU utilities so they don't inject into the process. Make sure antivirus isn't quarantining files. Whitelist the Fallout 3 folder to prevent interference. Next, address compatibility and mod-related causes. Right-click Fallout 3, exe and set compatibility to Windows XP SB3 and run as administrator. This resolves many launcher failures on modern systems. If you use mods, temporarily disable them and test vanilla startup. When mods return, use loot to sort load order and check for conflicts, and ensure you have the correct Fallout script extender version. If you use ENB or heavy graphics mods, remove them for testing because they frequently crash at launch due to shader mismatches. Finish by validating game integrity. Verify files via Steam or copy clean originals over modded ones. Delete or rename user prefs. Ini and Fallouter. Ini so the launcher generates fresh defaults because corrupt config files commonly cause crashes. Once you've restored defaults and removed mods that fail, test the game. If it still crashes, open Windows Event Viewer and note the application error code and faulting module name. That single error code will guide targeted fixes or let you report an actionable bug when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.